breezy, fresh air. We went for a walk on a breezy evening. The window is open, and the room feels breezy. Collision. Two things hit each other hard. There was a car collision on the road. The two bikes had a collision in the park. Clue. A small piece of information that helps you to solve or find something. The police found a clue at the crime scene. The clue helped me solve the puzzle. Dawn. Beginning of a new day. We woke up at dawn to see the sunrise. She went for a walk at dawn. Blunder. Big mistake made because of carelessness. I made a blunder and broke the glass. I made a blunder by sending the wrong email. Empathy. To understand what someone else is feeling. A good friend always has empathy. She showed empathy when her friend was sad. Audience. People who are watching or listening. The audience clapped after the show. A big audience came to see the play. Untrue. Not true or false. Don't believe untrue things. He told an untrue story to everyone. Eccentric. someone or something that is strange or unique. He has an eccentric style of dressing. The old man lives in an eccentric house. Contemporary. Modern or current. This building has a contemporary design. She likes contemporary music.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!